Welcome back to Maintainer's Garage. I'm Bags. Today we're going to be working on the 2004 lx470. Our fog light's out. That's our parking light. That's our fog light. Both of our fog lights are out. Need to be replaced. Not a hard job. In the lx470 it can be really easy because I've still got the factory adjustable height on the vehicle. So I'm going to go in here and press it to be in the high setting. It's going to raise up, so that'll even give me more ground clearance under the car. We've also blocked off our garage door sensor because I'm hanging half in, half out the garage. So to save us from ourselves, can't close the garage door. I've also been told by some friends and coworkers that in order to get more likes and comments and views on YouTube, I need to create some drama. I like the song Cruise remix by Florida Georgia Line with Nelly. There, I said it. So there. So that's the drama for today or next week or yesteryear or something, whatever. So there you go. There you go, dudes. I need to have some drama. There it is. All right, so we're going to get into this. We're going to raise up the car real quick, then get under here and start taking it apart. I'm going to be replacing them with Narva H3 lights. It's an H3 light bulb down here. That's what I'm replacing with. These have excellent reviews. They're very bright, decent life, and fairly reasonably priced. I think I paid $25 for the two of them. I'm not exactly sure. Yeah. We're going to raise up the car and get into it. And raising up the car is as simple as starting the car, making sure all the doors are closed, and pressing the button to go high. The other thing I forgot to mention, but I didn't need to do it because I've done it before. When you raise your vehicle up, make sure it's not going to hit the top of your garage door at its height setting. I know I've had over a foot of clearance, so I wasn't worried, but it's one of those things that while you're doing it, you're like, hey, I might want to warn you about that. So, little afterthought. I'll go ahead and say this now. We're going to be using most of this will be from our little camera just because it's easier to get it under there and hold it and change out the light bulb. If you're not going to wear gloves, make sure you do not touch the actual light bulb itself with your fingers. The oils will shorten the life considerably. Now we're going to get into the car. This is a fairly straightforward job. Your remover connector, there's a cover you have to rotate and remove. There's a couple spade connections in there you undo, and then there's a metal retaining clip that you just got to kind of pop off and pull the old light out, put the new light in, put that new retaining clip back in, plug everything back up, and you're done. This is the passenger side. That's our parking light. This is our fog light. There's a little tab right there. You just have to press down, and if you've heard it, it kind of clicks and then you pull it off. Then you rotate this counterclockwise and it'll just pop right off. And there you can see there's there we go. There's two kind of spade connectors in there. You just got to pull those out, and I'm having a hard time doing this one-handed. Sorry, I couldn't get both those one-handed. There you see the two terminals inside, and then there's the two contacts. And on the light itself, inside of here, and it's hard for me to see this, there's this little lever arm. You just got to kind of push it down, and then it'll pop out, and you have to slide it out of the way. You got to kind of move the wiring just a tiny bit. There you are. And that's our light with our pigtail. This is our old light versus our new light. The old one is the one that looks all foggy on the left-hand side. Our new one's the one that looks clear on the right-hand side. All right, we're getting ready to put the light in on the driver's side. I'm trying to make sure I get good lighting, and I'm having a hard time. This upper tab and the lower tab aren't exactly the same. And if you look on the light bulb, on the new light bulb itself, that's important to notice. So when you put this in, the top one in here is more flat. So when you set the light bulb in, it locks into place, And then you just pull our little barn door down. Like that. And that's locked in and good. I'm having a hard time with the shadows and everything and where my little camera is. I'm hoping I've made that clear and concise. Now it's time to put the plastic cap back on. You have a male and female spade connector there. You've got a male and female inside the cap. I can't hold the camera and do this, so stand by. All right, those two are in. Now you put the cap on and rotate clockwise. And it's locked in. Take your connector, slide it over here, and boom, you're done. Now you do an ops check. All right, got the car on, turn the headlights on, turn the fog lights on, and I can already see that one came on. And yep, we got a fog light. There we are. All right, this is the passenger side, and same situation, parking light, fog light. Just press this little tab, pull that off. You may have to wiggle it a little bit, knock a little bit of dirt out, counterclockwise, and hopefully my neighbor's leaf blower isn't overpowering. And inside of there, you have the two terminals. Just disconnect those. All right, that's out. Now we can set that to the side. Hopefully this is a good picture. This little spring is kind of like a door. You just kind of got to push in, push down, and it comes off and then swings open. You just got to watch the harness, and then you can pull the light out. There's our new light versus our old light. The old light's the foggy one on the right. The new one's the crystal one on the left. And if you look inside of here, you could see two flat spots. That's how, and there's two flat spots on the light. That will fit right in there and push in just like that, and it's fully seated. Now you just have to reconnect these two, and there is a male and a female, and in the cap is a male and a female receptacle. You get those fully seated, and then pull this back around and righty-tighty. Then connect your connector, snaps in, and you can do a little ops check on it. One working fog light, two working fog light, and that's changing the fog lights on your 100 series lx470. All right, we got our passenger side fog light changed, our driver side fog light changed, ops check good, job done. Hopefully this video helps you out in case you ever want to know how to do that. Thanks for watching Maintainer's Garage. Have a great day.